Yes, sir.
So let us start. Ayushi, you was not present yesterday.
So there was no electricity.
So have you checked it later in virtual class?
Yes, sir.
So now everyone becomes silent. So
black pen देखो cover पे इसको
see, this is the another set of questions. So class 8 students, they can also solve, but it
Yes,
is not
sir.
compulsory for 8 class student to solve all. But for class 9 it is must. Now let's go to see again. See, 7A, it was in previous page, which I had given yesterday. From P, it is here. B, C, D, E. Now 8 number A, B, C, D, 9 AB, 10 AB. So I'll be solving 3 questions from here. So let us see. First, it is 8B. Question. What is 8B? See here. 8B. Can you read?
Yes, sir.
If the sum of two angles is 2 pi by 3 radian and their difference is 60 degree, find the angles in grades. Means there are two angles. One angle measurement is 2 pi by 3 radian. Other angle's measurement is, two angles. If they are added in radian, it is 2 pi by 3. If their difference is taken in degree, it is 60. But you have to find both the angles in grade. So see the solution. So the question, it has two angles, so let A and B be two angles. Here B is missing, you write A and B, BEB, two angles. Question says their sum is 2 pi by 3 radian. And you know we have to solve in grade. So here only you convert radian to grade, multiply by 200 upon pi in 2 pi by 3. Pi cancelled, 200 to the 400 by 3 grade. So A plus B equal to 400 upon 3 grade. See the movement of mouse. Now the difference of two angle was 60 degree. Is it? Just a minute. So A minus B is equal to 60 degree. A degree to convert into grade, you have to multiply 10 by 9. If you will simplify it will be 200 by 3 grade. So what you have? A plus B equal to 400 upon 3 grade and A minus B equal to 200 by 3 grade. Is it? Sum of two angles, this is difference of two angles. Now use equation 1 and equation 2. A plus B equal to 400 by 3 grade. A minus B equal to 200 by 3 grade. If you will add plus B and minus B cancelled, A plus A 2A And now here 400 by 3 grade plus 200 by 3, it will be 600 by 3 grade. How much is 600 by 3? How much is 600 by 3? 3 2 are 6. 200.
Yes,
Say
sir.
yes or no? So 2a equal to 600 by 3. So a equal to, you know, I have said it is 600 by 3 and divided by these two. 3 2 are 6.
Yes.
600 by 6, it will be 100 grade.
Great.
Is it? So
Yes,
A
sir.
we have got 100 grade. Now B is left. Again go back. A plus B was how much here? A plus B equal to 400 by 3 grade. So A plus B equal to 400 by 3 grade. Put value of A 100, B, all are in grade, so I have not written sign. 100 for A, B is for B, 400 by 3. So to get B, you have to take 100 to right hand side. 400 by 3 minus 100. Take LCM, 3 is LCM. 400 minus 3 into 100, it is 300. 400 minus 300 is 100. So 100 by 3 grade. So you can write in mixed fraction 33 1 by 3 grade. It? So A equal to 100 grade and B equal to 33 1 by 3. You can write in decimal form also 33.33. That can also be written. Now, next. So don't worry, if your screen is moving, you can later check in virtual class. 9A. So what was the question in 9A? So let's go back once. 9A, see here. 9A. If x minus 20 degree, comma, x and x plus 20 degree are angles of a triangle, find the greatest angle in radian. Greatest means x plus 20. Is it? This is the question. So I am solving it. It's very simple. So questions are given in degree. So we know A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Here A means x minus 20, B means x and C means x plus 20. So A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. So combine A, B and C. X minus 20 plus x plus 20. 20, 20 cancel, 3x 180. So x is 60 degree. X value of x is 60 degree. Greatest, which one was greatest, biggest angle? C. So what was the measurement of C? X plus 20 degree. So x is 60 and 20. 60, 20, 80 degree. So we have got angle C in degree. But question is asking in radian. So in the end, convert degree into radian. 80 into pi by 180. 0, 0 cancel. 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 80. So 4 pi by 9 radian. 4 pi by 9 radian. This is answer. Biggest angle C in radian. Now, if 10B, perhaps this is last question. Once again, go back to question. See, 10B question. Read the question carefully. If D, G and R, 3 capital letters are there. D, G and R denote respectively the number of degrees, number of grades, and number of radians of an angle, any angle. And you have to prove that d by 180 equal to g by 200 equal to r upon 5. So see how it can be solved. So suppose there is an angle whose name is A. There is an angle whose name is A. Wait, from where? Who is this Redmi? Now, angle name is A. Question says that A is equal to D in degree, D degree. Or angle A is equal to G grade. Angle A equal to R radian. That is given in question. So, you convert D, G and R into any one unit. Either all in degree, all in grade or all in radian. You have three choices. I have followed one choice. I have converted into all into degree. A is equal to D degree. No need to change. It is already in degree. Again, angle A equal to G grade. So how to convert grade into degree? G into 9 by 10. 9G by 10 degree. Now third, A equal to R radian. How to convert R into degree? Multiply 180 upon pi. So it is 180 R upon pi degree. See, these all are measurement of same angle A in degree. But one is in terms of D, one is in terms of G, and one is in terms of R. D, G, R are different numbers. So these three are measurement of same angle. So what conclusion we can draw? From 1, 2 and 3. The number D is equal to number 9G by 10 because 9G by 10 degree is measurement of angle A. D degree is also measurement of angle A. 180 R by pi is also measurement of angle A. So these three numbers must be equal. D equal to 9G by 10 equal to 180 R by pi. Is it? Now divide all by same number 180. Because we have to prove this. So for that purpose, we divide these three equal numbers by same number 180. D by 180 equal to 9G by 10 into 180, 180 R by 180 by pi. So what we have done? We have divided all by 180. So now see what is left. D by 180, 9 to the 18, 20, 10 the 200. G by 200 equal to, here 180 cancelled, R upon pi. So this was to be proved. D by 180 equal to G by 200 equal to R upon pi. So this was all for today. Now rest questions you have to try. So again I am giving privilege to class 8. They can solve some and 9 have to solve all. Now if you will complete this, then tomorrow I will start trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. And now 8 and 9 will separate. This was common chapter, so I have to consider you in a common way. Now we will go separate. Yeah. Now you tell me, So what problems you have faced till now?
खाने लागिए करने वाले ठीक है ठीक है
Sir,
Yes.
ठीक है
so that 9B and A will be confused.
हाँ
9
Which
plus.
Who is
एक ही नहीं
asking? Who is asking?
Me.
Which number?
9B.
9B.
I'm a little bit confused.
This circular system or previous one?
Circular system.
मुझे आते थे
9B.
Yeah.
See,
क्या
if an angle of triangle exceeds the second by 20 degree and the third angle exceeds the second by 2 pi by 9 grade. Hey, see, suppose second angle is x. Let us take A, B and C. Hey, listen carefully. For 9B, what you have to do? Suppose three angles are A, B and C. The first is A, second is B, third is C. What question says? Now suppose second angle B is x. Hey, you note down. Let second angle B equal to x. Namaste. Second angle B is equal to x. Then first angle is x plus 20 degree. Is it?
Yes.
What will you write? Let B equal to x. Therefore, A equal to x plus 20. It is in degree. Is it? Now, what about third angle? Third angle exceeds second by
2 pi by 9 radian.
2 pi by 9 radian. So convert 2 pi by 9 into degree. What will you multiply?
180 by 5.
It will come 40 degree. If you will convert 2 pi by 9 radian into degree, do separately 2 pi by 9 radian equal to 2 pi by 9 into 180 upon pi. So if you will simplify, it will be 40 degree. So what means third angle is 40 degree more than second angle? Read again, go back to question. Third angle is 2 pi by 9 radian means 40 degree. Third angle is 40 degree more than second means what? How much was second angle?
X plus 20 degree.
Second was x. So third angle is x plus 40. Is it? All are in degree. Second angle x. First angle A equal to x plus 20. And third angle C equal to x plus 40. All in degree. Is it? Now you go back to your formula. Now we know A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Is it? So put
Yes,
the
sir.
value of A. How much was A? I
X
say how much
plus
was A?
X plus 20.
How much was B?
X.
How much was C?
X plus 40.
Equal to
180.
now add this x plus x is 3x. 20 plus 40 is 60 equal to 180. or 3x equal to 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. This is 3x, or x equal to 120 degree by 3, that is 40 degree. So we have got value of x. Value of x is 40 degree, means which angle it is? First, second, third, which one?
First.
Huh?
Second.
Second. Angle B equal to x 40 degree. Angle A was how much?
X plus 20.
Means 40 plus 20. How much it
60
is?
degree.
60
60
degree.
degree.
Angle C is how much?
X plus 40.
Means 40 plus 40.
80 degree.
80 degree. Have you got the solution?
Yes, sir.
So this way you have to solve. Anyone else? Hey, class 8 students. If you have faced any difficulty, then you can ask. I see, I am giving my WhatsApp number. You save in your mobile. So have you seen my number? Hey, students, have you all seen my number
Yes, sir.
in chat? So you save this number in your mobile set by my name. So it is in WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp group, don't send in group. In group, if you will send, it will get lost. To send your solution or difficulty to me, then I will read that and write your name also, because I don't have number of all of you in my mobile. That's why while posting your solution or your difficulty, write your name. Then I will understand who has sent. Then I will rectify your difficulty in next class. बुझ्यो कुरो?
Yes,
घर
sir.
मेहनत गर्ने बनाउने आउँदैन गाह्रो हुन्छ भने that is not a problem. If you will try, you may be successful or may not be successful. Unsuccess हुनु पनि सक्सेस हो, किनभने you have tried. अब आएन भने अनि नै सोध्न पाइन्छ. गर्दै नगर्ने चुपचाप बस्ने हो भने त के सोध्ने? त्यसैले निर्धक्क भएर आफ्नो प्रब्लमहरु राख्ने र त्यसको सल्युसन पत्ता लगाउने. तर अनसल्भड कुरा केही पनि नछोड्ने. ठीक छ? अब म यो तिमीहरुको यो आजको क्लास सक्छु र यो भर्चुअल क्लासमा हाल्दिन्छु. जसलाई those who have not joined from beginning. So Ankit Das, can you hear me? Ankit Das.
Yes, sir. Can hear me.
You के नाम हो? के जोशी हो?
सर लोनिस
रोनिस. हाँ. तिमी अनिश को भाइ हो?
यस सर.
हो. तिमीहरु के गर्ने? त्यो भर्चुअल क्लासमा जाने, सुरुदेखिको पढ्ने. यो म्याथमेटिक्स एउटा खराब बानी के छ, बिचदेखि सुरु गरेपछि बुझिदैन केही पनि. 15 गतेको क्लास हेर्ने, त्यसपछि हेर्ने, कति गते छ त्यो पनि हेर्ने, फेरि अर्को हेर्ने, आज 7औं 8औं. अनि त्यहाँदेखि मैले सल्भ पनि गरेको छु, फर्मुला पनि सिकाएको छु र नयाँ नयाँ हिसाब सल्भ गरिदिएको छु, हिसाब सोधेको पनि छु. त्यहाँबाट हेर्दै आउने, गर्दै जाने, कुन आएन अनि सोध्न पाइन्छ, बुझिन्छ कुरो. बिचबाट यो टिभी जस्तो त होइन फिल्म कि जहाँबाट पनि हेरे भएको. यो त अस्ति सुरुमा जुन पढाए त्योसँग कनेक्टेड सेकेन्ड क्लास छ, सेकेन्ड सँग कनेक्टेड थर्ड, त्यसरी हुँदै 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 आज कति गते हो 28 गते
Yes, sir.
हो ल यो सबै गर्ने ल राम्रोसँग पढ जति यो लकडाउनमा जति पढाइ हुन्छ त्यसलाई पुरै भोग्ने अब तिमीहरू तयार भयो भने भोलिदेखि म त्यो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो सुरु गर्छु sin थीटा cos थीटा वाला कुरा
Okay, sir.
9 क्लासको त अलिअलि 8 मा हेरेको छ त्यसैले अगाडि बढाउने 8 क्लासको सुरुदेखि हुन्छ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के हो भन्ने पनि यसो कतै बुझिराख्ने आजकल त गुगलमा पनि सबै हुन्छ गुगलमा टाइप गर्ने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अनि यो नै 50 वटा त्यो अप्सन आइहाल्छ सोल्युसन त्यहाँ हेर्ने अनि मेन्टली प्रिपेयर्ड भएर बस्ने भोलिको लागि ओके ठीक छ केही सोध्नु छ अहिले छैन Rachel, do you need to ask anything? Do you have anything to ask? बोल्दैन भने त म कसरी के गर्नु Is my voice reaching to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Should I close now? अब यो बनाउने भिड्ने अहिलेदेखि भरे 8-9 बजे बेलुकासम्म कुन आएन त्यो बीच बीचमा मलाई त्यही व्हाट्सएप नम्बर दिए त्यसमा हालिराख्ने अनि म बुझ्छु स्टुडेन्टले कति बुझ्यो कति बुझेन तर त्यो ढिलो जोइन गर्ने त्यो रोनिस यो के रे अंकित यो आवाज सिंह भन्नेको हो यो आलियाको पनि क्लास छुटेको छ सुरुदेखिको कहाँबाट लिंक टुटेको छ त्यहाँदेखि हेर्ने हो अनि बुझिन्छ ओके हैव अ नाइस डे थ्यांक यू